Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to host a Next.js 14 application on a shared hosting server using cPanel. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can deploy your Next.js app without needing or upgrading to any expensive server or VPS. So, without being ado, let's get into the flow. This tutorial, I am assuming you already have a Next.js application on your local machine. If you don't, then no worries. Head over to the Next.js documentation and follow the instruction to set up a brand new boilerplate using npx create next app and latest. I do have already installed in my local machine, and here is the code of the boilerplate. Yeah, so for next, actually we need to deploy our Next.js application on cPanel, we need to enable some mode, some configuration in next.js config.js file or js or ts, whatever you have. We need to put this configuration the standalone mode. This ensures the application compiles into a format optimized for hosting, and there is a lot of benefits of this standalone mode. You can check out to the documentation. Let's go, and if you search standalone, deploying custom server. Okay, so it should be here. Sorry, I think standalone's output, yeah, this one. So standalone, so you will have some understand. If you read the documentation, you will easily understand this. So the standalone mode have lots of benefits. It actually reduces the bundle size, more efficient, and also the number of files will be reduces. And another benefit is actually it only require the npm packages for hosting. Whatever packages we are using, that will be adjusted with this standalone mode, nothing less. So yeah, you can read the documentation and you will understand the the standalone mode approach. Okay, so after setting up that, we need to build the application. So go to the Nextjs cd. I already this file have in Nextjs. So I already built the application earlier because I don't want to lengthen the video, so that's why I previously built the application and put the external modes. So after build, we will have some directories, standalone, server, and static folder under .next. So actually we need some file and folder from here to work with the Nextjs. cPanel. So we need some file and folder to be built, compressed in zip. So to do that, I'm creating a folder named build. You can name anything you want. So this build folder will contain some files and folder like this .next package.json and server.js under standalone. I'm going to paste them in here, and also we need the static folder. It should be put next. Yeah, we almost set up the build folder. Let's verify. So if I refresh the browser, then you will see it's running. So we need to run the build folder to verify that. Let's go to the build folder, and yeah, there we have server.js and package.json and so on. So we have that server.js. This is the root file to work with the build folder. So node server.js, and yeah, the application is running. Let's again refresh. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, this is from the server is actually running. It is coming from the build folder, and that is what we need to work with cPanel. So we have our build folder ready, and we need to upload this build folder on cPanel. So to do that, we have to compress the build folder. Let's do that. Okay, so compressed, and I have a hosting on cPanel. Nextjs. So for security purpose, I'm going to pause the video. Please apologize me. Okay, I am in cPanel file manager. So we will host the application on this domain. I actually bought this domain for one of my clients. Right now he is actually working with other domain similar to like this. So I got permit from him to host the application, and this is Nextjs host. With host here is dummy. It's coming from this public under public HTML. This index.html. So if I view, as you can see, this is coming from here. Nextjs will host here the entire thing. Okay, so remove that, and yeah, we're ready. Okay, so as I mentioned, we need to upload this build, compress file folder to cPanel. So let's make a directory. Next.js YT for YouTube, and I'm going to delete the index.html. Okay, and let's upload the build folder. Okay, so I'm going to drop files here folder. Okay, so it's done. Let's go to the root directory again. The directory again, and unzip here. Okay, extract. Okay, so do refresh. Yeah, the started folder is here, and as I mentioned, we need this all file, move to the root directory. Okay, so to verify that, let's Nextjs YT, and we already have this file in here. Okay, so we need to create a Node.js app. Let's go to Node.js app, and yeah, let's wait for some time. Okay, so create an application, and we need to put the root. So this one coming from here, cPanel, images, and the setup file is, remember what is the setup file? Okay, this is server.js. I think you know that. So create it. Okay, it should be the production. I mistakenly did that. And let us start again. Okay, so almost everything we have done so far. Let's go to the open. Okay, I think we need to I should have this version, and also run npm install. We need to install the packages, I mean node modules. It's taking some time. I will probably forward the video. Okay, so npm install class has been created. Let's again run the app. Okay, it's running. Enter the virtual environment to run the command source image setting. Okay, let's go to again. Why it is showing? Okay, so let's open incognito mode, garments, password free unavailable. So I think there might have some problem. Okay, let's delete the app. I think I did some mistake there. So if I reload, we have node modules. Let's stay here. Okay, I don't need the build folder. Okay, so let's delete the previous app again, because I think I made some mistake here. So create the application, it should be 20. Not allowing its production. Application URL should be public string Nextjs and also let's delete the modules. Okay, so let's start up the file server.js and create one again. So this started, stop the app and install. Okay, okay, so let's start the app again. Let's check again. I think there might be some cache issue. Yeah, we have the Nextjs app running successfully on cPanel. Congratulations everyone. So to verify, let's again open incognito mode. No requirements. Oops, sorry. No requirements to store. Yeah, we do have the application running on cPanel. Okay, so we have successfully deployed our Nextjs application on the following URL. So there might have some question like why we are arranging this file and folder and how I get that. I mean, how from where I get the idea to put some specific file or folder in here. So actually, I was also searching how to host Next.js application on, BPS. So I'm working for a WoW company. So the requirement was to host the Next.js application on BPS, and that's why I was searching, and somehow I got this video. Let's Next.js hosting self-hosting, sorry. Self-host probably. Oh, sorry, it should be Nextjs. So this is the video. Okay, so
charming.
Name is the vice president of Marcel and the Nextjs community. He hosted the video in BPS, but the thing actually I have learned from his Docker file. This Docker file, I go to the Docker file and got the idea from here. So actually, this is the tricky part. For production, he is grabbing the public folder, next standalone folder, and some static folder to the root folder to run with that. This is the actually tricks I got from his Docker file. So if you go to layout, so here's the layout. Okay, so here's the VP of product Marcel, and active comment is member in Marcel. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. By the way, I forgot to mention that I have a detailed step-by-step guide. You can follow this URL I will mention in my video. You can check the blog to read and easily understand the flow. Thank you.